Yeah, the final result's great. We're back living in the house now. It was probably 3 or 4 months from start to finish, and the house does look completely different. It looks great. My name is Jack Fox. I live in Mermaid Waters, and I engaged Symcorp in 2025 to do a home renovation. I chose Symcorp for this type of renovation just due to various factors, but very happy with the result. Back living in the house now, it's great. So the size of the renovation that we wanted to do, it kind of lent itself. We didn't really want like a small builder that was going to struggle with the size of the renovation. We needed a fair few bathrooms done, flooring, quite a lot of trades. So we did have our concerns with going with a small builder, and then we didn't really want a large speccey builder because we wanted to sort of go with a builder that was had a bit of a local presence, good reviews. So we started our research early in 2025. I did see a few Symcorp signs around me, and the builds that they were doing were quite impressive. It was my understanding that they did new builds and really nice renovations. And I engaged with them as a process with a couple of builders, and had a really good initial chat. I saw some of their work, I researched them, and it looked like they were the type of builder that I wanted, and they've been fantastic. The communication and overall experience with Symcorp's been really good. The project had a lot of components to it, and the communication was something that I didn't realise early on was going to be so important. I didn't really appreciate how many different stakeholders there are in a home renovation. The quality of Symcorp's work is really impressive. It's not just sort of point and say this is kind of what I want done. It's more of a discussion on all of the spectrum of options that you have. In a lot of areas I didn't even know what those options were. So to sort of have someone a little bit more experienced than just a yes, we can do it, was something that in hindsight, yeah, it was really handy. So yeah, no, the quality of work was fantastic. The various teams that I engaged with throughout the project were sort of all pulled together by Heath and the project manager Matt, and the quality, yeah, along the way was just fantastic, and the end result is really good. Very happy with the result. So Symcorp managed the timeline. They initially came in, we had various meetings on what we wanted to get done, what were the options, what was the estimated budgets. They would be either daily or weekly summaries, screenshots, images, product updates. I would get phone calls when it was required, obviously when there was a decision that needed to be made. So yeah, the timeline was very well communicated. And then from an overall timeline point of view, it was on par with what they said it would be at the start, which was great because we actually did make a few changes throughout the process, which I'm guessing people often do in a renovation. But all in all, in terms of the guidance on how long and I guess the expenses, were in line with what we discussed at the start, which was good. Yes, I did feel confident throughout the project. I think it was just because I was kept pretty close to kind of the progress of the project. I'm guessing there will be some homeowners that would like to be not as involved, but because there was quite a lot of moving parts, I wanted to be updated quite regularly just to make sure that I could understand where we were in the timeline, just because we had other things going on with our living situation. So the more that I was, I guess, kept in the loop from a timeline point of view, the more confidence I had in the project and the team. And then it just helped on our end, as we weren't in the house, just sort of schedule our lives. So yeah, the communication was probably one of the top things from this project that I took away. Was just a really good part of what Symcorp goes about with their projects. And yeah, no, I have a lot of confidence in them now after I've gone through a whole project, and so much confidence I may do a future project with them. Yes, I would recommend Symcorp to others. We wanted a reputable local builder, someone I guess that I could feel like I could call and talk to. It was the right size for us. The result was great, so yeah, I definitely would recommend Symcorp again. The house was built in 2004, so it wasn't like an original build in terms of this type of area in the Gold Coast. A lot of the original builds were in the 80s. So it was already a two-storey house that sort of had some modern features, but it definitely did feel early 2000s, and therefore there was a lot of areas of the house, a lot of aspects that probably felt that sort of 20 to 25 years old, whether they were near the end of their life or just from a styling point of view. So yeah, part of the goal of the project was to fix some areas of the house that needed fixing, but it was to really try and use that opportunity to make the house just a modern 2025 feeling house. And the end result is now a property that it just really feels like a new build. Even though it was just a renovation, it has a very modern, very simplistic, very low maintenance feel, which is great. Really suits my lifestyle.